Welcome to Research Rocks. In this video, we will see one more important video related on GoPro Hero 11, and that one is the accessories of GoPro Hero 11. Which accessory is very important for this product and which one is very useful, and how many accessories you needed up to purchase the GoPro Hero 11. So let's start as a demonstration. So this is a GoPro Hero 11. Last week I purchased here in Copenhagen, Denmark, around 3,599 Danish krona, around 452 euro. So this is a GoPro. So basic first important accessories, this one, as a my point of view, this is a mini tripod, and this tripod also belongs from GoPro company because of, look at this here, trademark is available here. This tripod price here in Copenhagen, Denmark, 239 Danish krona. It's very cheap, around 20 to 25 euro, and that one is very important. So how to fix out? It's very easy. Look at this. If you don't like this accessory, you can purchase as a big tripod also. This tripod, one of the important and basic key points is, if you fix here, like first we fix, look at this. If I fix the tripod, so you can open the battery adapter here like this, and you can very easily remove the battery. Other tripod are not providing such kind of facility because of other tripod, the screw is big like here, and you are not able to open the battery during the recording. So this is my first impression of GoPro. I have already couple of year experience related on GoPro related product, so I already shoot bunch of video and publish on my two different YouTube channels. So look at this. This is a small tripod, and if I on this one, so it's very compact for me. I can increase the size and then recording the video. It's easy and compact. Sometimes audience not feeling irritating, oh, one of the YouTuber coming and record something, because of this is not so visible for the audience. So that point of view, this is one of my best accessories for the GoPro Hero 11. Second accessories is very important. If you are purchased the GoPro Hero 11, so battery are providing you almost 1 hour 25 minutes or 1 hour 35 minutes continuously recording. After that, you need to charge your batteries, or you need to purchase some of the extra batteries. So before purchasing extra batteries, I purchase here the Telson, the charging adapter, and using this adapter I can charge at a time 3 batteries in this particular adapter. So I'm purchasing this one in AliExpress around 20 euro. I have already extra battery of GoPro Hero 11, so I put it here, and one battery is inside. But still I need some of the battery because of I'm recording so much video. So that point of view, so third accessories from my point of view, that one is extra battery, and this time I'm purchasing extra battery originally GoPro store. So this is battery I'm purchasing from Amazon. The price exactly on 42 euro, delivery including the delivery. If I purchase here in Copenhagen, Denmark, it's little expensive, but if you want purchase the extra battery for the specific GoPro, I can suggest you purchase only on GoPro brand. Definitely those battery are little expensive, but as a charging point of view, this battery are providing you time 1.5 hours accordingly. If you purchase other like a same in Telson brand or other brand, so those battery just providing you 35 to 30 minutes, and that one is very irritating. If those battery comes here in 20 euro and this battery comes here in the 40 euro, so this is 3 times better to record your screen and less irritating. This one is my third accessories specific of the GoPro. And last one, this is a large tripod, this one. If I require as biggest tripod and I want to record something like this, so this is one of the largest tripod, and this tripod is little expensive because of this tripod comes from Insta360, and this tripod price around 50 US dollar. So those 4 accessories are important, especially on my GoPro Hero 11. So that point of view, I share this video. So definitely you purchase this GoPro Hero 11, so you need to purchase extra batteries, memory card, different types of tripods. If you record some of the videos while walking, so this tripod is very basic and affordable and very comfortable. Because of last 4 years continuously I'm using the same tripod and nothing damaged. Those 4 accessories are very important, specific on GoPro Hero. If you really like this video, so please hit the bell icon, share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Research Rocks. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.